Hey, so I just got back from grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. Yeah, I know. So I will take everything out and show you what I got. Okay, so I set everything out. I actually got a lot of stuff I didn't even realize. So I got sesame seed bagels, bread, bananas. I got some sauces for pasta. I got edamame. I got like the kind of like a pan, but like an olive oil spray. I got a couple of brown rice pastas. I got some greens. This is like a Caesar style kit. I'm ever feeling lazy, which is always. I got more brown pasta. I got plantain chips. I got tortilla chips, mango, lemon, avocado, tomatoes for like a salad, tuna, and here are mangoes. Oh, these are like the freeze-dried mango, and then these are just the regular mangoes. And then I got cucumbers. I got some roasted potatoes, chicken. I got this orange chicken bowl, which I might eat tonight because I do not feel like cooking. I got some mozzarella sticks, yogurt, lactose-free 2% milk. I got sriracha, light cream cheese. This juice is so good. It's orange strawberry banana juice. I got some mini potato butter, sandwich crackers, and I really love half and half with my coffee. And I got some apples. And that's it. So I'm gonna put everything away, eat, I guess relax because I've been working all day. And yeah. So I'm just gonna put everything away and maybe eat that microwavable meal because I don't feel like cooking. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Today's Wednesday and I'm going to work. I am just making my breakfast and coffee, even though I probably should be leaving in like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll just scarf it down. And so I'm just working from 9 to 5, and then I just have my laundry and homework today. Not doing much. So yeah. Today is Thursday, and we got this cornhole set from Amazon. It came in red and white, but we wanted to change it to black and white. So we went into the city for his birthday because today is his birthday, and it was supposed to rain, but it never did. So the original plan was to go to Parm outdoor dining because they were offering that option, but I guess we didn't want to take a risk and get rained on. So we just went into the city. I'm only like 30 minutes away from the Columbus location, and we went to go pick up the food. It was super easy going into the city, maybe like took 30 minutes, but leaving took an hour, which sucks, but whatever, their food is so worth it. And this is me just roaming the city. I left my car on hazard, and he was left in the car while I went to go pick up the food because we didn't want to, waste time looking for parking when we were just literally picking up food. And I ordered ahead of time, so it was ready by the time I got there. So that was really convenient. And straight ahead is this really, really cute, what looks like a poodle. So cute. I love the dogs. This is me securing the Parm bag. And then we went to go to Cheesecake Factory back in New Jersey to go pick up a cheesecake because he loves cheesecake. So he ordered the bolognese from Parm. Then we also got garlic bread. And I just got pasta and shrimp. It's so good. I love their food so much. And now I'm singing happy birthday. And I forgot that these were one of those candles that just keep lighting after you blow them out. So we were here for like 3 minutes. So today is Saturday. We just went to his family's barbecue because they were celebrating his birthday with his family, and this is Mia. And later we just lit a campfire, and then Sunday all I really did was homework. So I hope you enjoyed this week in my life. Thank you.